placing images within text is very easy to do in Microsoft Publisher, and you do that through using Word Art. So what you're going to do is you're going to say Insert, and you come into Word Art and go ahead and pick any of these styles that you'd like. Type your text in. This is my text. Click OK. Resize this however you'd like, and then you can right click on it and say Format Word Art, and right up in here you're going to click the button that says Fill Effects, and you're going to say Picture, and then you select the picture that you'd like, and let's just say I want this nice chrysanthemum picture inside of my text. Give my text a cool effect. Click OK, and there it is, and that gives some texture and some added pleasure to your text. While we're in here, show you some of the things you can do in Publisher 2016 and change your 3D effects a little bit. You can see how they're changing over there. Just kind of some fun stuff. Let's stick with that one. That looks kind of cool. You can add shadow effects, which are kind of fun. You can see how it's changing. So Word Art is definitely fun to play with. One other thing you can do is you can change the shape of the text so that you can get different effects. This is a great tool for educators to make your text a little bit more fun to look at.